Alright guys, we're going to check this BMW X3 for a power outlet that's not working. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Jimmy. We're making it work. You can't see my ugly mug because I'm showing you this sweet BMW logo. Everybody likes that, man. This is status of the uppermost class right here, apparently, or something. I'm not really a big BMW fan. Some of you guys watch my channel might know, because everything they seem to do is more complicated than it needs to be for no reason at all. They're not very mechanic friendly. I guess if you work on them all the time, it doesn't seem that way, but when you have experience with other brands and then you work on a BMW, it puts you into some kind of engineering shock. Let's get to it. All right, 2014 BMW X3. Customer states my power outlet doesn't work. Got my test light, tested. Tested it, there's no power to the power outlet, obviously, so it's got to have a blown fuse, or it could be a bad socket, but that's unusual. So, something I find interesting with the BMW engineering, and it's probably like beating a dead horse at this point, but you got to take the glove box out to get to the fuses. The kick panel's bolted in, and the glove box is bolted in, and the fuse panel's behind here. I'll show you guys, you can see. That's where the fuses are at. And of course they're not labeled either, but it's a 20 amp fuse, so I'm guessing it's one of those ones on the bottom. So I'll pull the kick panel down, see if I can reach those fuses, and if not, then the glove box has to come out. It says behind glove box, so I don't know what that means. We'll find out. Ta-da! Okay, you don't have to take the whole glove box out. You just take the kick panel down, and now you can see your fuses. So I'm going to put my test light on that 20 amps, see if that's the right one. There's a couple different sizes of them, of course, too. Well, some of them are ATCs and some are Euro fuses, it looks like. There's a screw in the bottom of that junction box, or fuse panel, whatever you want to call it, and the screw is loose. So someone's been in here messing around, but there's only 4 20 amp fuses. And this second one up here, I hope you guys can see that on camera, but the second one up right here, that's the power outlet fuse. Because it was, there's no way to test it, because it's a really cool looking fuse with no way to put a test light in the end of it. So I just yanked it out of there and put a new one in to see what would happen. And without touching the sides, I got power now. So, piece of cake. One fixed BMW power outlet. And don't plug anything shorted in again. There's a slide tab in the back, 3 screws, and then 2 clips underneath the plastic on the corners. It's back in, and I even tightened the fuse panel screw this time too. I don't know who worked on it last, but it wasn't me. It's done. All right, guys. All right, guys, this little BMW rascal's all fixed up. Thanks for watching. I hope you got something from this video. If you own a BMW X3 and you're trying to find it while your power outlets don't work, maybe you can save yourselves a little money by getting in there to change that 20 amp fuse yourself. So I hope this video helped you, and maybe torque that like button if you'd like to see more automotive related content, tool reviews, things like that. I appreciate you guys. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. You're awesome.